and Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Iberia Parish in south-central Louisiana, St. Mary Parish in south-central Louisiana, southeastern St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of White Castle to near Supreme, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
Scanning stop. Frequency boat.
Until 7:15 p.m. Central Damage to roofs. Sighting entries. Daylight time. Severe thunderstorms along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of White Castle to near Supreme. Burnmore Point, Stephansville, Burns Point, Bell River, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar Island, Amelia, Sherton, Pierre Park, and Weeks Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.